Hi, I'm Sean. I'm a wandering vagabond, and today I'm going to show you my very minimal kitchen setup. Camping out of such a small vehicle means that I really have to make everything small. Everything needs to have a purpose, if not three. Behind my driver's seat, I have a Tupperware container that houses my kitchen. So I can store, I can store potatoes just because it's easier. For the morning, I have sugar. I have a tea kettle. I pour over coffee. I use paper filters for it. But I also grind my own coffee beans. I carry a herb grinder with me because I like good coffee in the morning. Underneath that I have a fan because nobody likes grease smell in their car. Cutting board, pretty essential. A plate. I use a single burner hot plate. It just seems to be the easiest at this point. Fork, knife, rubber spatula, wooden spatula, pair of tongs. I also have a mini hot pot that contains brown sugar and a bowl if necessary. This is perfect for making anything, making rice, cooking potatoes, making Moroccan tagine. Under that I have a pie tin. Now the pie tin may sound funny, but the pie tin acts as a pan. Pans are too large and they have a big handle, which I don't have a lot of space for. But that's my kitchen. For water storage, I have a 7-gallon water container down here that I can just, it works on a lever. It fills up water jug. Of course, not everything fits exactly where I want it to be. So I have dry storage and spices back here in the back of my car, inside another Tupperware container. If we go into my car, and underneath my bed, I have a set power refrigerator. I keep it at 32 degrees. It keeps everything pretty cold. As much as the dream is to have everything run off the solar panels, it just doesn't entirely work that way. I love the fact that I cook by the sun. The big bright ball that I hide from most of the day cooks my food. My car is off. Let's see, do I have battery? As I say it, that's when it changes. Oh no. When I cook dinner, I have to turn my car on just to give it that extra little bit of electricity. Everything in there runs off of a 1500 watt inverter, powered by my Prius and an extra battery. Even though I'm in very little space and very minimal kitchen appliances to work with, I still manage to create some incredible meals for myself. It's a lamb chops and purple mashed potatoes night. On cue. I'm not amazed, but other people would be amazed what I can do with it, with this little tiny kitchen setup that I have. Everything all right here. I even made cookies on the top of a mountain one night.
I made cookies without leaving my car. I don't even know what to say. A pear pie with cookie dough crust. Oh man.
I've even been known to bake bread in an oven out of my car.
Time for the 20-minute check-in. Oh man, is that starting to look like a really nice loaf of bread. That's totally cool.
Not having a lot of things means also I don't have to do a lot of dishes. Cleanup is pretty easy. I have water, I can boil it, makes things clean. Yeah, hope gives you some ideas of what you can do to minimize your kitchen and its space that it takes up in your vehicle. Okay, bye guys.